Quail Log April 28th, 2026. So I got the light turned on a little earlier tonight, so they got a few hours with the light on. I cleaned the tray down there, or the floor down there on that end, and hopefully no one's going to run out considering I have all the doors open right now. But so far, they seem to be well contained. I'm loving the feather patterns I'm getting on some of them. The white ones still elude me on. I've not had complete white birds like this with just that black dot on their head. They're definitely different. So I'm going to see what comes out of these guys and we'll see where it goes from here. But that's what I've got for tonight. And everyone seems to be good. We got plenty of water, made sure there's water in the holes, and they've got food. So they should be good. So that's it for tonight. Good night.